A lot of people want to withdraw money from PayPal to bank account, but they don't know how to do that, or like all of the sudden PayPal is not allowing them to withdraw the money to their bank account. So I'm gonna be showing you guys everything you need to know about how you can withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. Now, if you already did this, like if you already transferred some money before and all of a sudden it doesn't work, then keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you the solutions to fix this problem. So I have been using PayPal for a very long time. I know, guys, how this whole thing works. So make sure you drop a like on this video and let's get started right now. Now, the first thing, guys, for those who don't have a bank account or credit card, it could be Visa card or MasterCard. If you don't have it linked to your PayPal, you will have to link it first before you can withdraw any money. Okay, so if you are using the phone, it could be like Android or iPhone, you just need to open the app and you need to link your MasterCard or Visa card. But keep in mind that not all MasterCards they support PayPal. Yeah, you can link it, you can pay using the MasterCard. Like if you don't have PayPal balance, you will be able, guys, to use the funds that you have on your MasterCard. But when it comes to transferring or withdrawing money, it's not going to show up. When you try to click on transfer, you will not be able to see the MasterCard and you will not be able to to withdraw the money. But if you have Visa card, then you can withdraw the money without any problem. But keep in mind, like I said, only a few MasterCards they don't support PayPal. Okay, like 50% of them they support PayPal and you can withdraw money to these MasterCards. Okay, now if you don't have, like I said, any credit card or debit card, you need to click on link a card. Okay, now after, guys, you click on link a card, you will have to enter here the MasterCard, the number of your MasterCard. You can just check it, and if you want to link your bank account, you can't do that until you link your MasterCard. Okay, you will have to link the MasterCard before you can link a bank account. Okay, but keep in mind, like I said, you just need to link your Visa card or MasterCard and you can withdraw money to these cards and they will appear in your bank account. Okay, now you just need, like I said, to I'm going to do that right now, to add here my MasterCard, click link card, and you will have to wait I would say like 24 hours, and PayPal will send you two different amounts of money to your like small amount, like 20 cents. And if it's like, for example, if it's 0.25 cents, you just need to enter these amounts. Okay, when you click on transfer next time, it will ask you guys to confirm the bank account. Okay, and you just need to confirm that. Okay, so make sure you have some money inside your PayPal, otherwise it will not show up. It will not show like it will not appear, the withdraw option, it will not appear. Okay, make sure you have some money inside your PayPal, otherwise you are not going to be able to send any money to your bank account. Like I said, for those who have a problem, they are sending the money, they used to to send the money, but now they can't. Make sure the address is correct. Okay, make sure you go to your settings in the top right and make sure you have the correct address. Okay, and also make sure the credit card or bank account has the same address. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. Have a good day. Please drop a like and watch the video in the screen.